Rob with Signum Training and Nutrition, and we're going to go over the wall hinge. Awesome stretch for improving flexibility in the upper back, as well as the shoulders, and I even tend to feel it a little bit in the mid-lower back as well. So you want to be about an arm's distance from the wall. You're going to put your arms flat against the wall, like this. Step your feet back about hip, shoulder width apart. Arms are extended the entire time. And then you want to feel as if you're simply hinging from the hips, letting your chest sink towards the floor. So not only do I feel this in my shoulders, I also feel in my upper back, I feel in my mid back, even a little bit of my hamstrings. It's a very passive stretch. You want to just feel as if you're just sinking your chest towards the floor rather than forcing it towards the floor. And that there is the wall hinge.